For centuries, humanity has been captivated by the unexplained. Ghostly apparitions and tales of otherworldly encounters have tantalized our imaginations. Could there be a realm beyond our senses, hidden from view? What if the key lies in modern physics? String theory suggests our reality is far stranger and more interconnected. It proposes a universe of vibrating strings existing in dimensions beyond our perception. Could these extra dimensions hold the key to understanding the supernatural? Could paranormal phenomena be glimpses into these hidden dimensions, while speculative string theory providing a scientific basis for the supernatural is an exciting prospect? String theory at its core replaces the traditional notion of point-like particles with tiny vibrating strings. Just as a violin string can produce different notes depending on its vibration, these fundamental strings give rise to the diverse particles and forces that make up our universe. But here's where things get truly mind-bending. String theory posits that these strings vibrate not just in the 3 spatial dimensions we experience, but in as many as 10 or even 11 dimensions. These extra dimensions, curled up and hidden from our perception, could hold the key to understanding some of the most perplexing paranormal phenomena. Imagine, for instance, the concept of a ghost. Could it be that what we perceive as a ghostly apparition is a projection or echo from a higher dimension, bleeding through into our own? Perhaps these extra dimensions house realms beyond our comprehension. Realms inhabited by beings or energies that defy our current understanding of life and consciousness. So one of the most enduring mysteries of the supernatural is the concept of precognition, the ability to perceive future events. While often relegated to the realm of superstition, could there be a scientific basis for this phenomenon? String theory, intertwined with the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, offers a possible explanation: non-linear time. Our everyday experience suggests that time flows linearly, from past to present to future. But what if time at its most fundamental level is not so straightforward? Imagine a river flowing downstream. That's linear time. Now picture a lake with inlets and outlets, currents and eddies. That's non-linear time. In such a model, ripples from the future could potentially flow back into the past, creating the conditions for precognitive experiences. Could it be that some individuals possess a heightened sensitivity to these temporal fluctuations, allowing them to catch glimpses of events yet to unfold in the linear flow of time? Quantum entanglement might hold the key to understanding phenomena like telepathy and psychic connections. 2 particles, no matter how far apart, can be linked in a way that defies classical physics. Measure one and you instantly know the state of the other, even light years away. Could our minds form entangled states, allowing for instantaneous communication? Are our minds more intertwined with reality than we understand? Section 5. Vibrations of existence, energy, auras, and the symphony of strings. String theory suggests that everything in the universe, at its most fundamental level, is made up of vibrating strings. Each vibration corresponds to a different particle or force, creating a cosmic symphony of energy. This concept of universal vibration has intriguing parallels with ancient spiritual traditions and practices like energy healing and aura reading. Could it be that what these traditions describe as auras or energy fields are simply manifestations of the vibrational patterns emanating from all matter, as predicted by string theory? Imagine a person standing before you. Their physical body is just the tip of the iceberg. Surrounding them is a dynamic, ever-changing energy field, a complex tapestry of vibrations reflecting their physical, emotional, and spiritual state. Perhaps individuals with heightened sensitivities are able to perceive and interpret these subtle energy patterns, providing insights into a person's well-being or even influencing their energy flow through practices like Reiki or therapeutic touch. Section 6. Echoes of evidence, studies and observations from the fringe. Hints of evidence suggest we might be on the right track with extra dimensions and vibrating strings. Parapsychology has anecdotal evidence and data suggesting psychic phenomena like telepathy and psychokinesis. Though controversial, this research hints our scientific framework might be incomplete. Near-death studies report out-of-body experiences and encounters with deceased loved ones. Some suggest these might offer glimpses into a realm beyond our current understanding. Section 7. Testing the unseen experiments at the frontier of reality. The challenge in exploring the intersection of string theory and the supernatural lies in designing experiments that can bridge the gap between the theoretical and the observable. One promising avenue of research involves exploring the role of consciousness in quantum mechanics. Could our thoughts, intentions, or even our mere act of observation influence the behavior of quantum systems? Experiments exploring the observer effect in quantum mechanics, such as the double-slit experiment, suggest that consciousness might play a more active role in shaping reality than previously thought. Another area ripe for exploration involves investigating the potential connection between quantum entanglement and psychic phenomena. Could we design experiments to test whether entangled particles could be used for communication or information transfer between individuals, potentially providing a scientific basis for telepathy? Imagine a future where we can send and receive thoughts or emotions instantaneously, bypassing the limitations of language and distance. Section 8. Consciousness and quantum bridging the gap between mind and matter. Perhaps the most profound implication of exploring the intersection of string theory and the supernatural is the potential to bridge the gap between consciousness and matter. For centuries, science has treated consciousness as a byproduct of brain activity, a purely material phenomenon. However, the bizarre world of quantum mechanics, with its emphasis on observation and entanglement, suggests that consciousness might play a more fundamental role in the universe than we previously imagined. Could it be that consciousness is not simply a product of the brain, but rather a fundamental aspect of reality, interwoven with the fabric of space-time itself? If so, exploring phenomena like precognition, telepathy, and even the existence of spirits might provide valuable insights into the nature of consciousness and its relationship to the material world. This could revolutionize our understanding of what it means to be human and our place in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Section 9, toward a unified view reconciling science and the supernatural. For too long, science and spirituality have been viewed as separate and often conflicting domains. Science, with its emphasis on empirical evidence and rational inquiry, has often dismissed spiritual experiences as subjective or superstitious. Spirituality, on the other hand, has sometimes viewed science as reductionist or dismissive of the transcendent aspects of human experience. However, the exploration of string theory and its potential connection to the supernatural offers a unique opportunity to bridge this divide. By approaching these seemingly disparate realms with an open mind and a willingness to consider unconventional ideas, we might discover that they are not so different after all. Perhaps they are simply two sides of the same coin, two complementary ways of understanding the vast and mysterious universe we inhabit. Section 10. The uncharted territory, future directions and open questions. The journey into the intersection of string theory and the supernatural is just beginning. It is a journey fraught with challenges, uncertainties, and the potential for both groundbreaking discoveries and profound paradigm shifts. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, we must be prepared to question our assumptions, embrace new ways of thinking, and remain open to the possibility that our universe is far stranger and more wondrous than we ever imagined. Some of the key questions that lie ahead include: how can we develop more rigorous and replicable experiments to test the validity of psychic phenomena? What is the role of consciousness in shaping quantum reality? Could there be a scientific basis for the existence of souls or spirits? How can we reconcile the seemingly paradoxical concepts of free will and determinism in a universe governed by both quantum mechanics and higher dimensions? Section 11, a cosmos of possibilities embracing the mystery. As we stand at the precipice of a new era of scientific exploration, let us not shy away from the big questions, the mysteries that have captivated humanity for millennia. The pursuit of understanding the universe and our place within it is a journey without end, a constant unfolding of wonder and discovery. While the idea of a universe teeming with extra dimensions, vibrating strings, and the echoes of otherworldly realms might seem like the stuff of science fiction, it is important to remember that the boundaries of scientific understanding are constantly expanding. What seems impossible today might become the commonplace knowledge of tomorrow. Let us embrace the mystery, pursue the unknown, with courage and curiosity, and never stop asking the questions that push the limits of our imagination and illuminate the infinite possibilities of our cosmos.